students, question number 2, find the inverse of the following matrices. Subdivision 1, what is given here? Minus 2, 4, 1, minus 3. Let us start solution. First let us take the given matrix as A. The given matrix A minus 2, 4, 1, minus 3. What is the question asking here? Find the inverse of the given matrix. What is the formula for inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by 1 divided by determinant of A into adj of A. 1 divided by determinant of A into adj of A. How can we calculate a determinant value? What I said? Determinant of A, all the elements covered within the vertical lines. First of all, the value of A is minus 2, 4, 1, minus 3, all the elements covered within the vertical lines. Now, determinant of A is equal to product of the leading diagonal elements minus 2 and minus 3. Product of the leading diagonal elements minus 2 and minus 3, that is 6. Then minus of other diagonal elements 1 into 4, that is minus 4. Therefore, the value of the determinant A is equal to 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 2. Anyway, not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Therefore, A inverse exists. Why? If the determinant value is equal to 0 means A inverse does not exist. Determinant value of A is equal to 0 means A inverse does not exist. See, 1 by 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0, 1 divided by 0 is equal to infinity, undefined. So, that reason the determinant value of is equal to 0 means A inverse does not exist. Here A inverse exists because of determinant value of A is not equal to 0. Next we can find out adj of A. Adj of A, place changing the main diagonal elements, place changing the leading diagonal elements. Here what are the leading diagonal elements? Minus 2 and minus 3. See, minus 3, other diagonal elements sign changing, that is minus 4, minus 1, then minus 2. This is adj of A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to A inverse 1 divided by, what is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adj of A. A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant value. What is the determinant value here? The value of the determinant A is equal to 2. What is adj of A? Adjoint of A? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2. This is the value of A inverse. Next, let us see subdivision 2. Second question, subdivision 2. Here what is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adj of A. Now, we are going to find out the value of determinant of A. Determinant of A, what is the element in A? 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. All the elements covered within the vertical lines. Determinant of A is equal to, consider the first row. First element is 5. Ignore that first row and the first column, consider the remaining elements. All these remaining elements are minor of 5, So, 5, 1, 1, 5. What is the next element here? 1. Then minus 1. What is the minor of 1? The position of 1 is first row and the second column. Ignore that first row and the second column. The remaining elements are minor of 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5. Next last element, in the first row last element plus 1, plus 1. What is the position of 1? First row and the third column. First row and the third column. Ignore that, first row and the third column. What are the remaining elements? 1, 5, 1, 1. These elements are called minor of 1. That is, minor of 1 is 1, 5, 1, 1. Now, determinant value of A is equal to 5 into product of the leading diagonal element. 5 5s are 25, 25 minus 1, minus 1 into 5 minus 1 plus 1 into product of the leading diagonal element 1 minus 5. Then determinant value of A is equal to 5 into 24, then 5 minus 1, 4, then minus 1, minus 4, here minus 4. Therefore, determinant value of A is equal to 112, anyway not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. The value of the determinant is not equal to 0 means A inverse exists. Next, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into edge of A. The value of the determinant is 112. Next, we can find out edge of A. Edge of A, first one Aij, that is called as cofactor matrix. Aij is called as cofactor matrix. To find out the cofactor matrix, consider the first element, that is 5. Ignore that first row and the first column. The position of 5 is first row and the first column. Ignore that first row and first column. Remaining elements are called minor of 5. Write down the minor of 5. 5, 1, 1, 5. Next, what is the element here? 1. The position of 1 is first row under the second column. Ignore that first row under the second column. What is the remaining element here? 1, 1, 1, 5. 1, 1, 1, 5. Next element 1. Ignore that first row under the third column. 1, 5, 1, 1. Now, consider the second row. Second row first element is 1. Ignore that second row under the first column. Remaining elements are 1, 1, 1, 5. 1, 1, 1, 5. The position of 5 is second row under the second column. What are the remaining elements here? 5, 1, 1, 5. 5, 1, 1, 5. In the second row, last element is 1. The position of 1 is second row under the third column. The remaining elements are 5, 1, 1, 1. 5, 1, 1, 1. Consider the third row. The position of 1 is third row and the first column. Ignore that third row and the first column. 1, 1, 5, 1. 1, 1, 1, 5, 1. Next one, the position of 1 is third row under the second column. The minor of 1 is 5, 1, 1, 1. The last element 5. The position of 5 is third row and third column. Ignore that third row and the third column. What are the remaining elements here? 5, 1, 1, 5. 5, 1, 1, 5. Covered within the square bracket. Aij is equal to, find out the determinant value for 2 cross 2. 25 minus 1 we get 24. Write down the symbol here, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now, we can find out the value of the determinant. 25 minus 1, 24, then minus of product of the leading diagonal element 1 into 5, 5, then minus 1. That is 5 minus 1, we get 4. Next one, product of the leading diagonal element 1. What is the leading diagonal element? 1 minus 5, we get minus 4. Next one, product of the leading diagonal element 5 into 1 5, then minus 1, 5 minus 1 we get 4, then minus 4. 5 5s are 25, 25 minus 1 24. 5 minus 1 4, we get minus 4. Here 1 minus 5 we get minus 4. 5 minus 1 4, that is minus 4. 25 minus 1 we get 24. This is cofactor matrix. Next, adj of A is equal to transpose of the cofactor matrix, that is Aij the whole transpose. Aij the whole transpose. Adj of A is equal to transpose means interchanging the rows and columns. Here 24 minus 4, then minus 4, minus 4, 24, then minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, 24. This is called as adj of A. Now we can applying the formula for A inverse. Here A inverse is equal to 1 by, what is the formula for A inverse? 1 divided by determinant of A into adj of A. A inverse is equal to 1 by, what is the value of determinant of A? The value of the determinant of A is 112. 1 1 2. What is adj of A? 24. What are the first row elements? 24, then minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, 24, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, 24. Now we can divide 112, 24 divided by 112, we get 24 divided by 112 minus 4 divided by 112 minus 4 divided by 112 minus 4 divided by 112. Here 24 divided by 112. What is the last element? Minus 4 divided by 112. Here minus 4 divided by 112. Then minus 4 divided by 112, 24 divided by 112. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 6 divided by 28, 6 divided by 28, cancelling these two numbers by 4, we get minus 1 divided by 28, next one minus 1 divided by 28. In the second row, cancelling these two numbers, we get minus 1 divided by 28, 6 divided by 28, next one minus 1 divided by 28. In the third row, we get minus 1 divided by 28, minus 1 divided by 28, then 6 divided by 28. All the elements in A inverse having 28 as the denominator. Taking 28 as the common factor, we get A inverse is equal to 1 by 28 into 1 by 28, 28 as the common denominator, taking out 28, 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 minus 1. Consider the second row, minus 1, 6 minus 1. Minus 1, 6, minus 1. In the third row, 28 as the common denominator, taking out 28. What are the elements? Minus 1 and 6. Minus 1 and 6. This is A inverse. Students, let us see the second question, third subdivision. What is given? The given matrix, let us take A. What are the elements here? 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. Find out the inverse matrix. A inverse is equal to, what is the formula for A inverse? 1 by determinant of A, 1 by determinant of A into adj of A. First we can find out the determinant value of A. Determinant of A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. All the elements covered within the parallel lines or vertical lines. Then determinant of A, in the first row, first column, what is the first element here? 2. The position of 2 is first row under the first column. Ignore that first row under the first column, the remaining elements are called minor of 2, minor of 2. Write down the minor of 2, 2 into 4, 1, 7, 2. The next element in the first row, second element is 3. Then minus 3. The position of 3 is first row under the second column. First row, ignore the first row under the second column. What are the remaining elements? Ignore that first row under the second column. The remaining elements are called minor of 3. 3, 1, 3, 2. Minor of 3 is 3, 1, 3, 2. 3, 1, 3, 2. Next, last element plus 1. The position of 1 is first row under the third column. The position of 1 is first row under the third column. Ignore that first row under the third column. What are the remaining elements here? 3, 4, 3, 7. The minor of 1 is 3, 4, 3, 7. So, the determinant value is equal to 2 into, how can we find out the determinant value of 2 cross 2 matrix? 2 into product of the leading diagonal element, 4 2s are 8. Then minus 7 into 1, 7. Then minus 3, product of the leading diagonal element, 3 2s are 6. Minus 3 plus 1 into product of the leading diagonal element, 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 3 4s are 12. The determinant of A is equal to 2 into 8 minus 7, 1. Minus 3 into 3. 6 minus 3, we get 3. Plus 1 into 21 minus 12, that is 9. Therefore, the value of the determinant is 2 minus 9 plus 9. Therefore, the value of the determinant is equal to 2. Anyway, not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. A inverse exists. The value of the determinant is 2. Therefore, A inverse exists. Next, in the formula A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adj of A. The value of the determinant of A is equal to 2. Now, we can find out the adj of A. Before that, find out the cofactor matrix. For adj of A, now we can find out the cofactor matrix, that is denoted as Aij. How can we find out the cofactor matrix? Aij. Consider the matrix A, the first row, first element, that is 2. The position of 2 is first row under the first column. Ignore that first row under the first column. Consider the remaining elements. All the remaining elements are minor of 2. So, minor of 2 is 4, 1, 7, 2. Next one, in the first row, consider the second element. Second element is 3. The position of 3 is first row under the second column. Consider the remaining elements. Ignore the first row under the second column. The remaining elements are 3, 1, 3, 2. Therefore, the minor of 3 is 3, 1, 3, 2. 3, 1, 3, 2. In the first row, last element is 1. Position of 1 is first row under the third column. Ignore that first row under the third column. The remaining elements are 3, 4, 3, 7. 3, 4, 3, 7. 3, 4, 3, 7. Now, let us consider the second row. Second row, first element is 3. The position of 3 is second row and first column. Ignore that second row and the first column. What are the remaining elements here? 3172. 3172 is the minor of 3. Minor of 3 is 3172. 3172. In the second row, second element is 4. The position of 4 is second row and second column. Ignore that second row and the second column. What are the remaining elements? 2, 1, 3, 2. Minor of 4 is 2, 1, 3, 2. 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. In the second row, last element is 1. What is the position of 1? Second row and the third column. Ignore that second row and the third column. What are the remaining elements here? 2, 3, 3, 7. 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 7. Now let us consider the third row. Third row, what is the first element here? 3. The position of 3 is third row and the first column. Ignore that third row and the first column. Write down the remaining elements. 3, 1, 4, 1. The position of 7 is third row and the second column. Ignore that third row and the second column. What are the remaining elements? 2, 1, 3, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. The last element, that is 2. The position of 2 is third row and the third column. Ignore that third row and the third column. Ignore that third row and the third column. What is the minor of 2? 2, 3, 3, 4. Minor of 2 is 2, 3, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, 4. Covered within the square bracket all the elements. Now, Aij now cofactor matrix, put the sign here, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Aij cofactor matrix. How can we find out the 2 cross 2 determinant? Product of the leading diagonal element. 4 2s are 8 minus 7, that is 1. Here 3 2s are 6 minus 3, that is minus 3. Here product of the leading diagonal element, 7 3s are 21, 21 minus 12, we get 9. Here 3 2s are 6 minus 7, we get minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1. Next one, 2 2s are 4 minus 3, we get 1, 7 2s are 14, 14 minus 9, 5, we get minus 5. One minus sign is here. Next one, 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, we get minus 1. Here 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, then minus of minus 1 plus 1. Next 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 minus 9, we get minus 1. This is Aij, that is called as cofactor matrix. Then adj of A is equal to, adj of A is equal to Aij the whole transpose. Aij the whole transpose. What is Aij? That is cofactor matrix. 1 minus 3 9, 1 1 minus 5 minus 1 1 minus 1 the whole transpose. Transpose means interchanging the rows and the columns. We get adj of A is equal to, adj of A is equal to, interchanging the row and the column, we get 1 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 1 9 minus 5 minus 1. This is adj of A. The final step, we can find out A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adj of A, that is equal to 1 by, the value of the determinant is 2, the value of the determinant is 2. So, substitute the value of A, determinant of A, we get 2. What is adj of A? 1 1 minus 1, 1 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 1, in the third row 9 minus 5 minus 1. Students, we have completed 2 questions. Let us see the third question in the next session.